Join me in making tzatziki chicken salad. Start with approximately 4 cups of cooked chicken. Rotisserie chicken works great for this. Then I added diced cucumbers, diced red onion, and diced celery. Up next is plenty of fresh lemon zest, along with salt, pepper, some dried oregano, crush it to get more flavor, and garlic powder. The plain Greek yogurt lends a nice tang, and the mayonnaise adds a luscious creaminess. Stir all that well, taste as you go, and adjust the seasonings, or you can add a little extra mayonnaise or yogurt if you prefer more creaminess in your chicken salad. The choice is yours. The last step is to add some fresh mint and then chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. It's time to eat. Get the full recipe at KudosKitchen by Renee.com.